Hi, welcome back. Well, in the last video we created this main page, all right? This basic main page from this image right here, from this print screen. Uh, okay, so now what we're gonna do? The next thing we're gonna do is that this button right here and this button right here, I want that the user click and can connect. He can authenticate with his Google account. All right. So basically, login by Google. So let's do this now. The first thing we need to do is to go to Google website because we need some credentials, we need a code from there, all right? So you're gonna type on Google this, Google API console. Type this on Google, click in the first link, all right? And if you're not logged, you need to come to this page, okay? You're gonna need to probably log in if you're not logged, accept submitting, but you need to reach this page right here. Okay, so and then you're gonna click here, APIs and services. All right, right here, if you have more than one, you can create a new one. I already created this right here, course API. I'm gonna create a new one actually. So let's create a new one, and the name gonna be Zero Code CO. I didn't buy this domain yet, but I saw that it's available, and maybe it's the one that I'm gonna end up using. You already know by now. So let's just create this right here. It takes some time to create. As you see, it's creating. Okay, so now it's ready. Let's click on it. And as you see, I have selected this project right now. Now we're gonna click in right here in consent screen. We're gonna select external and create. Now we're gonna put the name right here of your app. You don't need to use a domain that you own yet, like I'm doing, all right? Here you're gonna put your email. Here you're gonna add any logo. I don't have a logo yet, so I'm gonna just put this bird. Right here is your domain. If you have one, you can put right here. If you don't have yet, just type anything. Zero Code CO. You don't need to add this. Here you need to add the same domain that you just did right here. Probably without the HTTP right here, and here the email again, and save and continue. All right, so now we need to click here in add or remove scopes. And here we're gonna select the first and the second because we want the email and the picture of the person, which I think is the second right here. We don't need all the rest, so we're just gonna select these two, and we're gonna click in update. Any person you made? Yes, I think this one is the one that have the picture of the person. Okay, so next we're gonna come to credentials. And here, create credentials right here on the top. And then we're gonna select the second because we're gonna do authentication. Here you're gonna select the type. So if you're doing an app for a cell phone, you type here, you choose here iOS or Android, right? If you're doing a Chrome extension, for example, you would select this one. In our case, is a web application, right? It's a website, it's a web application. The name I'm gonna put the same, Zero Code CO. Okay, so right here, it's pretty important. Right here, this is what you need to do, right? Since we're gonna run this app locally right now, we're gonna select this right here, and we're gonna add this right here without this, okay? And I think the same here, if I'm not mistaken, and then you create it. Yes, perfect, that's it. This is what we need, right? You're gonna need to copy this too. Let's copy this, and let's just paste on cursor right now. Let's just paste right here. Come back. So this is the client ID. So let's just do this. And here we're gonna take the client secret and copy and paste right here. And that's it what we need. We can just close this for now. Okay, so let's leave it this right here. And now we're gonna type, please, hello. Okay, Cloud, everything is working. Perfect. Now I want to create a backend using Node.js, and the first thing I want to implement is login by Google. Below you have my credentials. The button that should trigger the login by Google are, and then we come back here, we want that is this button and this button, right? So get started now and buy course now. The buttons buy course now. Let's put this like that. And what's the other one? Get started now. Okay. And get started now. That should trigger the login by Google. All right. Here are my I typed this already right there. So let's just do this, this, and this. All right, so yeah, it looks good. So let's just press enter. Right, as you see, it's creating our back end right here. Like I said in one of my videos below, before, sorry, the front one, the front end, when it needs to do something complex, it sends the instructions from the back end, which is the Node.js server. The Node.js server gonna process this information and gonna give it back to the front end, the website that we're looking right now, the information requested. All right, so this is what we're doing right now. We see that it did right here, but it doesn't quite look perfect. I think we maybe need to install, yeah, we definitely need to install the, let me see if he created the env. I don't think it did, so this is what we need to do. Oh no, it did. Where is the env? Oh, it's created right here. Oh, it's right there, okay. So I think we need to install something to make it work. Oh yeah. Oh, actually it's giving us here this authorized redirect, so we need to do this right here. So come back here, click here, and on here it's asking us to add this. All right, I'm just following the instructions right here, and to add, and this one we already did. All right, so it's asking to add this link right here. Okay, so we just did. So now I see that we have some errors here. I don't think this is working because I think we need to install the Google library, and I don't think we did it. Oh, it's right here. Look, I see it. Okay, so we need to follow this right here. All right. So now it's pretty important. Let me cue this terminal. All right. Now it's really important. Now we need to understand that we have the app, which is our front end, and we have the back end. All right. So anything in the back end, when asked us to run a command on the back end, what we can do is we can click right here, open the back end terminal right here, and then we need to type this. Okay, type in it, and now type this. It's installed, like I said, the Google terminal. All right. So I don't think I still think there's a mistake here, but let's just see. So now to run our application, now we need to run two services. All right. We need to first run the back end, and then we need to run the front end. So I'm gonna close everything here for you to understand how it is. So you go to the back end, you open a terminal, all right, and then you type this. This is what make our server run. So you see server running on port 8000. All right. And then now you need to open another terminal right here on app. Okay. And here we're going to type, it even says here, you see, in another terminal. And here, oops, sorry. And here we're going to open our front end. All right. So the back end is working. Now we open our front end. It's probably not working. I think there's a mistake. Yeah, there is a mistake. So what we're going to do here is we're going to copy this and ask to solve it. I don't even know what is this mistake, to be honest. Okay, now it's better. There's still an error, I think, on this one right here. Let's just see. It's okay. Let's just do everything from scratch here. Let's open the back end. Let's run the server. Let's come to the front end and let's run the web app. And now we hold Control, click right here, and it should open our website. Okay, it opened. Yeah, there is an error. Let's see if I click what happens. Okay, access block this happens, request is invalid. Okay, I don't know what it is. Let's just send this error to cloud, so it fixes it. I think it should be working. I think I did something wrong in the Google website. I think this error is not related with the Google authentication at all. But let's see. Oh, there's, okay, try again. Okay, there is a bunch of mistakes here. I don't think it's still quite working, but let's test. Okay, the error is still here and it's the same error. So let's see the Google login. Yes, sent an invalid request. Let's send this. Oh, look, error 400, redirect. So yes, maybe I didn't save right here. Oh, I think I didn't save it right here. Yes, I think I didn't save it right here. Let's test one more time because, like I said, I don't think the error is related with. And now let's run the front end one more time. Oh, okay, so now it's already working. Okay, so let's try to log in here with this account right here. continue, and look at this. We already logged. Pretty simple. So well, this was the objective of this video. All right, so I'm gonna end up here, even though we have an error here to fix, but we're gonna fix on the go. All right, I want to make the videos pretty big. So as you see, it's already working. Let's see if I click it log out. Now we need to do that. We have a logout button right here, and yeah, that's it for now. As you see, we can already log in on our website using Google. Next steps are we need a logout button, and we need when the user log in using his Google account. Now we need to save on the Mongo database. All right, we need to save the data of the customer on the Mongo base. And I also want to show the picture of the person here, not the name. You see that I already got my name, but I also want to see a picture right here. So this we're gonna do in the next video. All right, so see you in the next video.